Hi, my rockstars. Today your HSC result came out. It was declared around 1ish, and I know rocking performance is not the right word to describe. It is just fantastic. And yeah, as many of you used to tell me that, sir, we will definitely get into chartered accountancy, but post our 12th standard exam and 12th standard results. So that is done now. I am your Neeraj sir. Today I am announcing we will begin on 28th of May, Tuesday, at our both centers, Channi Road and Dadar, a fresh, new, comprehensive batch for your Jan 25 CA Foundation exam. Yup. Admissions have already begun. I don't have to tell you that. Please come, find out all the details at the branches. If you are confused whether you should opt for a professional course or not, blah, 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 you can talk to our counselors. If you want to see me in person, you can request for the same. We will start the batch on 28th of May. See you in the classroom. ये दिल मांगे मोर बॉस, ये दिल मांगे मोर.